Here is how to archive and unarchive reels on Instagram. So let's get started. First open Instagram if you haven't already, and then come to the profile page that's at the bottom right. Once you're here, just come to the reels page, and here select the reel which you may want to archive. So let's say I want to archive this one. Then I'll just have to click on the three dots which are on the bottom right. Then click on manage and click on archive. So here they've said what would happen if you archive the reel. So all the remixes would be deleted, and anyone using the same audio, all of their reels will be muted. So now I'll just archive it, and it's done. So if I refresh the page, you can see the reel has gone from here. And now if you want to unarchive the reel, just click on the three lines which are on the top right. Then over here come to archive, that's here. So currently they're showing us the stories archive, but we can change this by just clicking on it and then make it post archive. And here you can see all of the posts which have been archived. So this is the one that we just archived. And now if you want to unarchive it, click on the three dots on the top right and click on show on profile. Click on it again. And now if we go back, then here you can see that it's come. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.